Wow. Yeah, it's mostly traditional because I think Siaram stands for that. It is a traditional brand. It's so old, this brand, so we will always, I think, give importance to Indian ethnic wear first. Having said that, there are different campaigns that we're going to come up with. First is more young, then there is festive, there are different kinds of, they have all kinds of designs ready for us. So this is the first campaign, and then you will see more and more, and you will see different clothes also.
Of course, why not? That's a good idea. We keep all options open over here because Sia, we think, can be such a big brand that we would never restrict possibilities.
That would be awesome. There is the collection is called Pariniti for Sia or Sia Wedding or something. No, it is already the first campaign. Her name is Sia?
No. I'm coming from the male part to the female part.
Oh, yes.
From Siaram to Sia.
Yes.
Yeah, sure.
You're the one person we can hear.
Yeah, we can hear you.
You're right. Fine.
No problem.
My name is Linda. I'm a journalist with She Equity, focus on women's needs. So, what is your take on the way the fashion industry portrays women? And do you think we can broaden our definition of beauty? And what do you think you can do hand in hand with Sia to maybe change a certain trend that has been related for you?
Mike is disappeared. Many questions. I'll take them one by one. First thing is, how does the fashion industry portray Indian women or all women? I think, to me, that question fundamentally is wrong because the fashion industry caters to all kind of women, and women of all types can cater to different kinds of fashion. So I don't think anyone is limiting the other. So if I like to wear a sari, I can. If I like to wear a pair of shorts, I can. So the fashion industry allows me to do what I want to do with my body and my style. Nobody is forcing me to wear what they want me to wear, right? So I think fundamentally that doesn't make sense to me. What was the other question? How can we change it? I don't know what is there to change, honestly. I just feel that, yes, the fundamental thing of people dressing for their body type, their... Oh, God.
I don't really consider us having any competition at the moment. And that's because I really think that our brand is unique. It is different. We are different from everyone else. We are a consumer name. We target to all markets. We want to get to every household. We want to supply to everyone. And we are already a clothing, so we have the guarantee of Siaram behind our fabric. We have the endorsement of Pariniti Chopra behind our style. And we have the wonderful young designers who are making trendy outfits to set the fashion of tomorrow. So as a combination, I just think we are unique in our own way. And I don't see anybody as competition, neither do I see us as being a threat to anyone. I think we are just in the business for the long run. Business is huge, so why do we have to worry?
Anything else? Awesome. Wrap up. Thank you. One second. I can't hear anything.
1 minute.
What did you say?
For kurtis also and something else. Would you recommend?
Yeah, I would recommend it for anybody looking for Indian wear, whether it is kurtis or, like I said, formal wear, light wear, everything is available.
Okay, my next question is that have you ever tried to design your own clothes or give some inputs, something like that?
No, I only want to focus on acting right now, nothing else. Thank you so much, guys. Thanks.
Pariniti, left turn, left turn, left turn, left turn, yes, yes, left turn, yes. Pariniti, थोड़ा सा इस तरफ थोड़ा बस ऑन द कैमरा. अरे एक मिनट साथ में पिक्चर मैनिकुन के साथ.
लेकिन फिर आपको भी अक्षय कुमार लगना चाहिए ना.
गलती से मैं ऋषि कपूर बन गया. रवीना, दिस इज अमेजिंग, आप यहाँ पे आए हो.
लेकिन एक चीज कहूँ कि ऋषि कपूर है तो आप अच्छे हैं, क्योंकि जब
Congratulations, sir. Hearty congratulations.